play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
What is up? It is your girl Faye, and we're back at it again with another video. Your girl is rocking her some 99J Burgundy red bob wig. So I'm gonna install and review this wig for y'all. So if y'all want to know the tea about this hair, you want to know where I got it from, you want to know if it's worth the coins, then girl, keep on watching.
Murder people edition. Fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got to kill a man at the young for me young. That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Get around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, you shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it.
Busy on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say shit. My hitters gon' bang quick, fuck around and get dangerous. She's acting like bimbos, I'm to my Timbo. Toes, no, I ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real bitch, no force, I stand on it, that's 10 toes. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tents on the window. He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick the rapper. Let them taste the then I kick them out right after. Got these niggas vexed, cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga tried to fall.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll play with it.
So let's start off with shipping. Shipping was fairly quick with this hair. I believe it came like under a week, so that was really good. Straight out of the box, I was looking at the lace and thinking like, wow, they were really generous with the lace parting that they gave us. It is a 13x4 lace frontal, and when they said 13x4, they said true 13x4, because the lace is not like coming up to here, like it goes all the way back. So I really like that, because a lot of these companies will like send you 13x4 and then the 4 inches is like right over here, like no. So yeah, they get points for that as well. I won't lie y'all, and I wasn't like a big fan of this. Some of the knots did come light, while some of the knots were double knotted, and y'all know like double knots just make the wig like so much more harder to blend into your skin. So yeah, I wasn't like too big of a fan of how the knots came, and at first I wasn't gonna bleach this wig, and I actually installed it without bleaching the wig. Then I did go ahead and bleach the wig after, and I feel like it looks so much more better now that I've bleached the knots of this wig. So I would definitely recommend for you to bleach the knots, because I know some people do say that with colored units you don't have to bleach the knots, but I feel like with this wig I don't know about other colored units, but with this wig, y'all gonna have to be some knots to make it look natural and everything. I did do like a lot of plucking as well, because when the wig came, the hairline was not looking natural at all. It was like so dense and so thick, and I'm just like, there's no way I'm putting this on my head without plucking the lace front to at least make it look natural and give like scalp a little bit. So yeah, it's not that beginner friendly wig where you can just like throw on and, you know, be on your way. You're gonna have to do some legwork on her to make her look nice and everything like that. But yeah, I didn't really mind it because, you know, it's whatever. But if you're looking for something that's, you know, easy throw on, easy go, then this might not be her for you. But I will say the color is definitely doing it for me. And in terms of the length, I did get this in a 14-inch, and I would say it's pretty true to length. I was looking for more like a shorter bob, but I was kind of like scared to get 12 inches, so I just like settled for 14 inches. But I feel like this isn't bad either. I haven't really got a lot of shedding or tangling just yet. I mean, I only just, you know, just wore the wig right out of the box, so I don't really expect any of that just yet. We'll have to see how the hair holds up, and hopefully, you know, we don't have too much troubles with that. But so far I would say it's holding up really nice. And the lace, it's not like HD lace or transparent lace or anything like that. I feel like this is really more on the Swiss lace side. If I forgot anything and you have any questions, definitely leave them below. I'll also leave the link to this wig below, so make sure to check it out if you're interested, and you know, y'all want to cop this wig too. I'll see y'all in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank y'all so much for watching, and peace out.
Busy on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say